You are failing because you are lazy. Stop it. Stop hiding behind the biggest lie in creation. The algorithm hates you. It doesn't. It doesn't even know you exist because you are feeding it junk data. You're still chasing subscriber counts like it's 2017. Stop it. Subscriber count is dead. It is a vanity metric that means nothing. We are here for engagement, likes, comments, shares, session time, and deep community support. That genuine interaction is the only data point YouTube cares about. It's waiting for you to prove your content is worth pushing. Let's talk about your comments right now. They look like this: great video, or a single fire emoji. That is useless. It gives the algorithm zero reason to promote you. You look like a bot. You act like a bot. You get treated like a bot. Mindset shift number 1. We are not commenting. We are strategically contributing to the conversation. Every single comment you leave on another creator's video is a mini trailer for your own channel. It positions you as an expert, a collaborator, or a valuable community member. And here's the biggest shocker. Your comment needs to be over 100 words. I know, it's work. But long comments signal session time, they signal thoughtful contribution, and they show the algorithm that your account is driving valuable, deep interaction on the platform. Time for the solution. I call this the high-value comment protocol. You are going to execute this 4-step plan on 5 videos today. Step 1, the personalizer. You cannot copy-paste. Start every comment with a reference specific to that video. The segment on X at 1:45 was perfect, or you completely nailed the point about why. This proves you watched it, and it establishes genuineness. Step 2, the value add nugget. Deliver a piece of growth wisdom, a controversial statement, or a technical stat that you know. Something like, the harsh truth is, your center is meaningless if your AVD drops below 40% in the first minute. This positions you as an expert. This is your strategic weapon. Step 3, the deep question. This is the most critical step. Ask a question that requires a lengthy non-yes or no answer. Not, did you like this, but how are you adapting your title strategy now that the algorithm is rewarding longer videos? This forces the creator and other viewers to engage in a back and forth. Step 4, the strategic tag. End with a single, unique, community-building call to action. End it with, if you read this far and you're ready to stop making excuses, drop the hashtag #RealGrowth below. This tracks your campaign and builds your army. This isn't theory. It is a practical, repeatable, algorithmic lever. If we all execute this high-value comment protocol consistently, we drive deep interaction, we show the algorithm we are a community worth promoting, and we shift the visibility game together. Stop being a passive viewer. Start being a strategic contributor. Your homework starts now. Execute the 4 steps on 5 videos today. And tell me in the comments on this video, what is your biggest struggle with YouTube growth right now? Let's turn those struggles into success stories. Go!